Struggling with dry, damaged hair that just won't cooperate? Imagine a single product that not only softens and smooths but also repairs breakage and protects your hair from future damage. That's exactly what the new and improved Cantu Deep Conditioning Cream delivers. Packed with pure shea butter and natural oils, it ditches drying alcohols and silicones to give your hair the hydration it truly deserves. I've seen firsthand how this creamy, luxurious formula transforms hair. It works intensely from roots to ends, restoring strength and softness where you need it most. Whether you're dealing with split ends, brittle strands, or simply want to boost your hair's moisture, this conditioner fits right into your routine. Use it as a daily rinse-out conditioner, a targeted treatment on damaged spots, or even as a leave-in for a deep, 30-minute hydration boost before rinsing. The versatility alone makes it worth trying. What sets this formula apart is its commitment to cruelty-free beauty. No animal testing, ever. Plus, it's designed for all hair types, including relaxed, natural, texturized, and color-treated hair. Customers across the U.S. rave about how it leaves their hair feeling soft and smelling great, proving it's not just talk but real results. If you're ready to give your hair the care it needs to look and feel healthier, this deeply conditioning cream is worth a look. It's more than just moisture, it's a step towards stronger, more manageable hair that's ready for any style. Try it when you're ready to see the difference pure, natural ingredients can make.